Text switching sa project management. So, isa sa KPI o Key Performance Indicator sa project management is time spent in context switching. So, yung context switching sa project management, gaano ka kabilis o gaano ka katagal nagsuswitch between tasks at gaano ka katagal nagtatagal sa phase na yon. Kasi pag nagtagal ka dun sa phase na yun, chances are, napepending yung project, bumabagal yung progress ng project kasi hindi mo matapos yung isang phase on time. So, yun. Na-discuss natin yung context switching and time spent in context switching. So, yun yung napaka-importante kailangan nating malaman. Kasi usually kasi, sa information gathering pa lang, data gathering pa lang, nahihirapan na tayo. Tapos magsuswitch and then babalik ka, di ba? So, yun yung mahirap minsan. So, yung time spent in context switching and context switching is an important factor in project management in which all of us must know. So, yun lang po.